Let's talk about this one. We are asked to find the slope of the graph of the equation. Notice that none of my x's have exponents. X is not underneath any square roots or any fractions, so this is a linear equation. I could rewrite it in the form y equals mx plus b, and that's exactly what we want to do, because once we do that, we're going to be able to find our slope, as it will just be the coefficient on our x. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify the entire right side of this equation and then compare that to my slope-intercept form to find the slope of my equation. So I'll start by distributing my -2/5. That 2/5 is negative because it's being subtracted, so that negative is going to come with me when I distribute. My y and my -11x will stay where they are, and then I've got -2/5 times 18, and then -2/5 times a -6x. I'll simplify each of these terms, and then I'll go combine like terms. So all I did in this step is I put my 18 over 1, and then I multiplied the numerators and denominators, and then same thing here. -6x over 1, and two negatives multiplied to give me a positive 12/5 x. So now all I need to do is combine my like terms, which is -11x and positive 12/5 x. Now if you're not comfortable with adding fractions, we can always just do that off to the side. So I've got -11x, and I'm adding 12/5 x. These are just two fractions that I'm trying to add. The 11 is just 11 over 1. So I'm going to get a common denominator by multiplying by 5 in the numerator and denominator, and then I get -55x over 5, and I'm adding 12/5 x. Now that I've got that common denominator, I just add the numerators. -55 plus 12, that's going to give me -43/5 x. And now I take that and I rewrite my x's as -43/5 x, and that just comes from combining my two x terms, minus my 36 over 5. Remember, I really don't care about that y-intercept because I just am asked to find the slope here. So since this is now in the form y equals mx plus b, I can compare the two and see that the coefficient on x is that 43/5, which means that my slope is -43/5. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.